Hey guys, a new video. This be kind of hard to open with this one hand, but it is a IBM ThinkPad. Hey, this is really difficult to open with one hand. An IBM ThinkPad 380 XD. Hold a minute. There we go. Anyways, this is 380 XD. It's got a Pentium 2. This is the Pentium 2 version, which I think is better than the Pentium version of it with MMX. Anyways, I'm gonna turn it on now. It has 95, if I remember right. I can't remember exactly. Oh yeah, the original drive's in it still. Yep, starting Windows 95, which is good. So, I like this machine. The palm rest is kind of like shiny because the rubberized coating was bad. It's starting going sticky, like, you know, some XPSs do that. That's a totally different machine though, it's a Dell XPS, but they do that same stuff. So I stripped it with isopropyl alcohol and a lot of scrubbing. It was fun. And it took a while, but this is my result and I'm pretty happy with it. Turn the volume down a little bit. Oh yeah, I forgot. The machine doesn't make noise anymore. Let's see why. I don't remember exactly why. Settings, control panel. Excuse me. I hope I get better soon. I really do. Let's see here. I'm sure y'all know this. One of these laptops is, you know, LGR, Lazy Game Reviews, or Clint Basinger, however you say his last name. He has one of these machines, and that's how I got interested in these. It was from him. That's how I got mine. Not from him though, but I bought mine off eBay for a really good deal, like unbelievable deal. They wanted $160 for it, but I waited for it to. I waited a while and they dropped the price to $85. That's how long I waited. And I offered him $65 and he took it, and that's how I got it. But the sound's there, but it doesn't play. Yeah, it should do that, but oh well. And I do know this is the original installation of Windows 95 from the factory. Yep. IBM. There's the specs. Oh, that's not the specs. That's the specs. It thinks the Pentium 2 is a Pentium Pro, but it's only a Pentium 2. 64 megabytes of RAM. Same amount as the Dell Dimension over there. And then what's the sound card on these ones? It is a crystal sound. So guess what we're gonna play? You already know. We're going to play. Dang, I'm in the wrong spot. We're going to play Candid, not Mid. Let's have it already been played before. I don't believe I did though. Oh, there it is right there. Okay. I'm gonna play it. And yep. Speakers work great. Has a weird, like, reverb sound. Off topic though, but guys, there's be a video on this Dell XPS 420 soon. Don't mind the netbook, I'm not worried about that. It's kind of having issues. Yeah, this computer with these two monitors I got all for free, including everything else, the speakers, the keyboard's back there though, but I got all of it for free, every bit. Oh yeah, and it's don't mind the wires. It's a 3.1 up to 5.1 surround system. Anyway, I'll play this a little bit. Yeah. I'm gonna give a shout out to LGR. He's the reason I got this machine. Out of all those videos he had of his, that's how badly I wanted one. So I bought one. And now I have one. The battery doesn't work though. It kind of does what his did, was whine. But I have it in there because I just do. But eventually we'll replace it with a replacement battery. They're kind of expensive though. You can hear the battery in there making noise. Oh, this also has a presentation stuff, which is right here. Excuse me. Well, might as well watch it, because we can. It's kind of funny. Yeah, this machine I bought, it came like this. It was in great shape. I used to have a compact Armada. I had 2 of those before this, and they both power supplies failed on those. Anyways.
IBM ThinkPad.
Watch this.
Portability. Versatility. Quality. Innovation. ThinkPad, a better place to think. Travel, work, travel. Convenience. Performance. Flexibility. Now, ThinkPad, a better place to think. IBM ThinkPad. Office. Home. Education. Entertainment. Yes. ThinkPad, a better place to think. Wherever you go, whatever you do, in the field, on the road, and under the sun. ThinkPad, a better place to think.
There's that. Now we got a video, or hot sound. Let's go to Multimedia.
Experience new worlds of business, education, and entertainment with an integrated CD-ROM drive.
Hope I don't get in trouble with that. That's why I stopped it. Anyway, let's go to performance.
Take advantage of the latest in computing technology with ThinkPad. You'll get the high performance of today's most advanced processors and high-speed bus architectures.
Yeah.
The vibrance of a huge, bright display. You'll also get long battery life with quick charging times. And hard drive and memory options give you room to work, room to grow.
Anyways. Oh, no, I didn't say that. Oh, crap. I'll have to figure this out.
The IBM ThinkPad. It's small enough to fit in.
Well, I'm out of here. And, I know I have on here some Doom on here. Let's check. Yep, there's Doom right there. I would like to get through Windows or DOS, but that's too much work, so I'm gonna run it through Windows because I don't care. Excuse me. All right. Where's it at? Oh, I know where they're at. It's kind of hard to play with one hand. But I'll get them. Yep, this is it. So I want to fall down there. That's bad. I've fallen down there before. Playing some Doom SE. I don't remember what it's actually called. Well, I'm dead. Oh well. At least I tried. So let's say that. I think there's some Quake up here too, but I don't have much longer, so let's see. Maybe I can play some. Quake. I have Wolfenstein 3D. There's Doom 2, I'm not gonna play that. Some Jazz Jackrabbit. Oh, I don't know if this actually worked on here. I don't think it did. Where's this files at? I know I have them in here. Oh, there they are. I don't know if this game actually works in here. I don't believe it did. I don't think it does. No. Jazz Jackrabbit does not work. And I've already tried to fix it, it didn't work. But I do have Quake. I think it worked fine. Let's see. Oh, it's a demo game. Let's see. Oh, this is in software mode, that's why it's running so good. Right now, can you guys see it? But you guys can sort of see it. I don't know, how about now? I don't know what to do, I haven't played this game in so long, I forgot how to actually play the game. I also like normal skill. Let me go down normal. I'm not gonna go down hard because I'm gonna die trying to get over that. Let's see here. Uh-oh. Where are we at? Oh. Oh yeah, I didn't think I was gonna do that. No. Who says I was gonna quit? I'm gonna do that again and see how much farther I don't make it. Oh, I gotta get out through here. That noise, what's that noise about? Oh, I gotta go press a button. I'm surprised I'm even making it this far. Yeah, I got some armor. I'm dead. I'm done. At least I tried. Ah, whatever. I don't care no more. At least I tried. I don't have a tripod at the moment, but I'm hoping to get one day. So, anyways, this is the IBM ThinkPad 3 DXT. It works great. The screen has a few things, like if you look really closely, might not show up on the camera, but there's like these spots of white dead pixels. So I don't care though. But anyways, that's the end of this video. So I'm gonna shut this down and I'll end the video so you guys can hear the shutdown sound real fast. Like Windows 3.1, I used it shutdown sound. Anyway, well, so this is just gonna go off. That's the end of the video. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye.